Hello and welcome to this instructional video on JAWS Inspect. Today, I'll be walking you through the features in the product. JAWS Inspect is a standalone Windows application that will provide real-time reports and logging of JAWS speech to help identify accessibility issues and visualize the user experience, all without the need to install or run JAWS or have any prior JAWS knowledge. First, we'll start by looking at the full page report. To do this, simply open your web browser and hold down the Control key and right-click the mouse, or press the context menu key. This will open the JAWS Inspect context menu. From here, choose Full Page Report. JAWS Inspect supports Internet Explorer 11 or the latest versions of Chrome or Firefox. This report generates JAWS speech for an entire web page and separates the output by HTML element, such as links, headings, or controls. These categories reflect the list dialogues in JAWS, such as the headings list. The full page report is useful for examining particular elements of a page, such as form fields. Having all the JAWS speech output in one place greatly speeds up analysis. For example, in the report below, a complete form can be checked to make sure all the elements are announced by JAWS and make sense in context. In addition to the full page report, you'll notice on the context menu options for element under mouse report and element properties. These provide the same output you'll see in a full page report, just for a single element based on the mouse pointer location. So if I hover over the first name edit field, control right click and choose element under mouse report, this will generate that same report format that we saw in the full page report, but just for a single element. Conversely, the element properties will open a dialog with the same relevant information that's displayed in the report. Next, let's look at the Say All report. This can also be found on the JAWS Inspect context menu. The Say All report is a linear view of the page presenting JAWS speech in the order that it is spoken if JAWS were to read from top to bottom. The Say All report is a good way to compare JAWS speech with the content of a web page to ensure that there are no differences, or to pinpoint elements on the page that are not announced by JAWS. The next feature is called Show AriaLive. This can be used to check that JAWS is receiving the updates correctly and that the update text matches the text in an AriaLive region. In this example, we have a training page with an AriaLive region that is updating every 10 seconds. I'll first launch the Show AriaLive dialog from the JAWS Inspect context menu. And in this dialog, a timestamp, URL, alert type, either polite or assertive, and the update text is displayed as the events occur in real time. Lastly, we have the speech viewer. This feature can be found by right-clicking on the JAWS Inspect system tray icon. The speech viewer can be used with any program on your desktop and provides a live text log of JAWS interactions with a web page or desktop application. When I click on my browser, the speech viewer will show the text information that would be spoken by JAWS, in this case, the window title. It can also be used in conjunction with JAWS to leverage virtual cursor navigation on HTML content. Or if JAWS is not running, the speech viewer provides a limited set of keyboard commands, such as the tab key to navigate to any focusable element, and the arrow keys to navigate text, graphics, tables, and other interactive elements, such as links. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on JAWS Inspect, please visit our website at www.arialive.com. www.paciellogroup.com/JAWS-inspect and fill out the contact form at the bottom of this page.